Alright, now I'm gonna
Where
stab
is
myself. What the f- Here, I'm using the other one to help get it.
You're poking it.
That's booby problems right there.
Listen, Tinkerbell's like, what is she doing to her?
What are you doing, Trey?
I'm trying to get the other half of the wire because it's sharp.
Oh my god, you're just gonna rip out. Just fucking take the bra off.
Why?
It's
Need
shot.
it. My boob is down here.
Okay, here.
They're always down there.
The nipple is on the belly button right now.
It's on her
Look
kneecap.
at it. It's through
stuck
this.
in my pants.
It went into the like material, the layer it wasn't supposed to.
We
Wait,
gotta get
right
it
here,
out of
right
there.
here. See it?
Post this on YouTube.
I will get you. No soup for you. Look at.
What are you
I still can't get through that fucking layer.
How did that get out?
Here, wait, hold on, wait, Trey. Hey, look, here.
Oh, you don't want
Oh,
me
no!
to do something like that.
There you go.
You're not even gonna have a nipple.
Put your hands down.
No, I just gotta hold my boob.
Cover your face. It's
Oh my
right
God.
there.
Always have a knife.
My heart's there.
Your heart's on the other side. Did I cut it enough? What the?
Can I get this?
All right, we're gonna fix
What
this,
the-
bro. I'm kidding. You feel it? It's right there.
Oh, I feel it. The other half is right here in my chest. Holy fuck!
It's not. Good.
You're pointing that at me, you know. What is that?
It's like the death in here.
Titanium?
Is this a Victoria's Secrets bra?
I think it is.
What is her secret?
I think it is. How did that thing stab me in this part? I need, like, the rest of it.
Just
For
take
what?
it off.
There.
What is it in?
I don't know.
Cut that thing. Not me.
Hold still. Don't get all twitchy on me.
Oh, there you go. She's gonna cut it in half now. Oh, there it is. Oh, she got it.
Baby.